Hello. So here we are talking about IELTS tips in our channel. Like nowadays we can find variety of students are trying to go abroad by cracking their IELTS, and they need to go through variety of assessment criteria, mainly like the ones who are the prior educated from the government sector, etc. They mainly have problems to speak fluently like a speaker. So in our channel we will be talking about the easiest ways to crack IELTS and the guidance about speaking topics that are circulating over the internet. Mainly we can find the students from Punjab, they have the difficulty to speak like the fluent speaker. So I'll go through some of the videos like the topics by some ideas to tell you that by implementing these points on your conversation you can score higher for your band score that is required. Mainly we can find that there are a lot of tutors who are teaching online and even the offline ways, but still students are struggling to obtain their desired band score. So we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to conversate and even to crack your IELTS speaking test, mainly because this is seeming excess riskier for most of the students, as they are not going through about that task. So that things we will be discussing in our channel.